Hi everyone, this is Sheshe. Coming on to do a Friday flowers. Using this set of flowers. I have them pre-cut. I'll show you what it looks like on a card. This is the one that we're making today. And I'm just building my stash so that they're ready to go whenever I need some flowers. So this is how it looks when they're done. And for my sensors, I'm going to use some seed beads, and I'll show you what they look like. They're clear. You can use gold or any color. I got this from Tuesday Morning, but you can get them from Michael's, it looks like, because there's a Recollection brand. So they have all kinds of different styles. So what you'll need to make this flower, it comes in different sizes, small, medium, and large. I'm using the smallest one and the medium size, so we'll do two. So I have 3 of the smallest one. Let me zoom in. And I'm going to use my 5mm stylus by McGill. I have several sets of stylus, but I'm going to just use this for now. And we're just going to curl it up. And I like colored the flowers, so they're kind of like damp. So I'm just going to curl them up to give it that look. And hopefully you can see I'm just using the middle petal of like my stylus in the middle to give it a cup shape. And then you can push it in the center to give it more of a deeper cup. And then we're going to do the last one. These are really quick flowers to make. And the glue that I'm going to use to put them together is this art glitter glue. I just got it not too long ago. And it's really good glue. Okay, so that's all you need to do for this flower. This is going to be like a really quick Friday flowers. And then we're just going to put one inside the other. So I'm going to put this one inside this one. And you kind of want to offset this and put the flowers in between the petals. So I'm just going to put this in here and twist it. So as you can see on here, this flowers, the petals are going to be inside and in between the two petals right here. And then we're going to press it down and give it another deep cup shape. And then this one I'm going to put it on the top. And then we're going to offset it again and press that in. And look how pretty that one looks. Okay, and then I'm going to put some glue in the center. And, like, pull it up so that when I put my seed beads on there, it has something to stick to. And I'm going to get my little tiny spoon. I have this little spoon. I don't even know if they carry these spoons anymore. I'm just going to push a lot of these little beads in here. The more you put on there, the better. And then whatever you don't need will not stick. And you just tap it right back in there. And then maybe I'll pour some more on there and see if some more will stick. Okay, and then there is my flower and how it looks. And it's going to be really pretty once it's dry. And then you can make them in all kinds of colors, like white, blue, but that's just one style of flower. You can do this in all kinds of styles. So let's do one more. Oh, actually, we'll do a medium size. This is the bigger size. So again, we'll take this 5mm stylus, emboss the middle of the petals, and then give it a cup shape. And then the last one. Alright, there we have it. And I'll just glue these inside one another. Again, offsetting the petals so that they're in between. Like that. Just want to twist this one a little bit more. Okay, and then I'm just going to add some glue. Pull it up again. Get out my little spoon. And then just tap it back in. And then just let that dry. Hopefully you can see it. So here are the two flowers that we just did for Friday Flowers. And then here are the ones that I had pre-made before the video. So I hope you found this helpful and you will give it a try. We'll do some other style flowers from the card. I believe next week we'll try this flower right here. It's really pretty. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care, and I hope you have a fabulous day.